Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary incentivize, INCENTIVIZE. Second one outright, OUTRIGHT. Sagacious, hope everybody remembers, already discussed yesterday. Prudent, right? SAGACIOUS. Prodigious, PRODIGIOUS. First one incentivize comes from the word incentives. Incentives are given for employees to perform better. Incentivize, motivate, encourage, boost, energize, stimulate, galvanize, inspire. Antonyms: discourage, demotivate, deter, DETER. Deter, that is also same meaning, discourage. Example: the salary hike is likely to incentivize the employees. Incentivize the employees, definitely it will motivate the employees to perform better. Outright, outright means completely, totally, instantly, immediately. All these relates to outright: completely, wholly, immediately, totally, instantly, full-fledged, out and out, unconditionally. All these words are related to outright. Synonyms: antonyms: partially, in part, conditional, uncertain, indefinite, provisional. These words and all relate to antonyms. Example: going out has been outrightly made strict due to COVID-19 pandemic. Be safe, be at home. That's it. Sagacious, prudent, remember, right? Sagacious, wise, prudent, reasonable, responsible, taking good decision, good judgment, clever, intelligent. And antonyms: stupid, foolish. Example: instead of getting into petty argument, small argument. What is petty? Yesterday also we discussed unimportant, very small. What is that one? Trivial, right? Trivial. Example: instead of getting into petty argument, do this sagacious thing next time and walk away. Prodigious, huge, huge. Synonyms: enormous, colossal, exceptional, stupendous, extremely impressive in ability, amount or strength. That is what we call it as prodigious. So enormous, colossal, exceptional, awesome, astonishing, astounding, fabulous, stunning, marvelous. All these we can relate to prodigious. Antonyms: small, ordinary, tiny, insignificant. Example: normally many say that the real estate business generates cash in prodigious amounts. Even we can say prodigious, abnormal, unnatural, remarkably great, impressively great. So those are all relate to prodigious. Can we just sum it up? Today's four words: incentivize, motivate. Synonyms: encourage, boost, energize. Antonyms: discourage, demotivate, deter. Example: the salary hike is likely to incentivize the employees. Outright, completely, immediately, instantly, wholly, totally. Synonyms: antonyms: partially, in part, conditional, provisional. Example: going out has been outrightly made strict due to COVID-19 pandemic. Sagacious, wise, prudent, taking wise decisions, taking good judgment. Clever, intelligent. Antonyms: stupid, foolish. Example: instead of getting into petty argument, do the sagacious thing next time and walk away. Prodigious, huge, enormous, colossal, exceptional, stupendous, astounding, marvelous, fabulous, stunning. So antonyms: small, ordinary, tiny, insignificant. Example: normally many say that the real estate business generates cash in prodigious amounts. Prodigious amounts. That's end of the session, today's session. Thank you very much. Have a great day.